We're at Darlington Dragway in South Carolina, and we're testing the Project M3. And Mikey, what are your expectations, goals?
969 would be amazing. Bone stock with intakes.
No downpipes, no port injection. It's just tuned
On E50.
Yep.
Let's see.
It was at E53, I think it was. Anyways, basically the simple customer modifications.
E52.
E52, there you go. So we're hoping for 9.6, but thanks.
9.7, I'm happy. 979, I'm happy. 960, I'm ecstatic.
But thanks to Darlington, they allowed us to play with at the back of the track. So we're having some fun at the back of the track. We're here with Andrew. I don't know what his last name is. Sorry, Andrew. From North Carolina, from Insomnia Motorsports. And we have Matt Meadows, M2 also, that we're playing with here. But yeah, so tomorrow we will find out what they do on a prepped surface. But wait, what did he do?
A 9.8 at 112.
On 9.8 uphill, bro. Jesus. I'll put the clip of grab his dick and twist it. I'll put the clip of the M240. Christian just ripping it right now. Lighting's terrible, sorry guys, but this is our stripper glitter, our track bite. We're gonna put some Pepsi down. Actually, when you heat it up, it gets mad sticky. Oh, Nikes, I don't want this. We put it down, do a burnout in it. It gets mad sticky.
That's what she said.
It's right here, it's right here. Just have him roll into it. Put it in reverse, Terry. Put it in reverse, Terry. I guess he didn't want to go back into the spot. Put it in front of the tires a little bit. Or that. Don't be a little bitch. You know what they say, you born a bitch, you die a bitch.
Alright, go forward.
Cuba's getting them street moves. God damn. Damn, boy. Put it in reverse, Terry. Again. Put it in reverse, Terry. Put it in reverse. Oh, Lord. Oh, it smells good now. It smells sweet. Back them right in, Cuba. Damn, that smells good. I wish y'all could smell it. Not just regular rubber. It smells like that Pepsi Coke rubber. Thank you, Darlington Dragway, for allowing us to do some stuffs in the back of the track.
Oh, that's sticky.
Useless, bro. That he leaves way too hard though.
Oh, yeah.
He gets to leave a lot softer. Following day from last night's testing at the back of the track, it rained and the forecast showed no rain. So we got here a little early. It helped the track dry up a little bit. We got Mikey over here blowing the water off the track the whole way down. So hopefully we can start testing soon after they put some glue down. So fingers crossed, everything goes as planned. So it happened November 2024, and we're coming back. Mikey, what do we have here?
The last piece of tennis ball against the tree.
There's part of the tree that I smacked right into.
Sao Paulo yellow.
Dang. Is there any BMW logo on it? Somewhere in the back? No? Probably not. But that's definitely ours.
Still has flavor on it and everything. I'm taking this back.
Super happy and excited to try something new on MHD's personal car by Chris Contos. They have new implementations that they're trying to do with trans brake and bumping in on the factory TCU and ECU on the factory transmission. This car is 100% stock motor, stock transmission, stock driveline. It's completely stock, and they're going to be testing it out very soon right here. So I'm going to get some nice videos of it. We're going to be trying it out. I'm probably going to be trying it also on the strip. We're going to be swapping the tires, I think, because right now it's on stock tires. This is their development car. They have lots of new things that they're trying out with individual EGTs, back pressure, EMAP, other coolant pressure sensors, and some other stuff that they have going on. I'm going to go into more in-depth with Chris Contos himself, but in the meantime, we're going to be trying out our personal car with the Mikey's stock G80, the M3, and Andrew Peterson's M240, Matt Meadows from Insomnia, his M2. So hopefully his car could go 8 speed, the first 8-second M2 and stock motor, stock turbos. It just has fuel system only. That's pretty much it in a tune. So we're very excited. So today, hopefully everything goes as planned, fighting all the weather, but we're in a right track right now. Oh yeah, that sounds good. Oh, you got the spider webs on the tires. Mikey, where are you going, homie? Put in reverse, Terry. What happened? Homie, ripping off the rubber. Nine anything right now. That's trash.
What the hell is even that?
Maybe not. I don't think he's gonna try the bump. Oh my goodness. What a sick. He let off way early. The way this works off the paddles, correct?
Yep.
So left paddle does what?
The bump
And then the right paddle?
is the trans brake. In a pre-stage, hold the trans brake,
Right paddle.
let go of the brake, give it gas, bump it.
And that's how it works. These tires, this is one of the left lane, by the way. Left lane, there's no prep, so that's why I blew the tires off. But that's essentially how it works. 10-2, okay, that's good progress. So I realized I didn't conclude the video. So as you guys saw, we were battling lots of traction, and the night before, the night of, it rained. So when it rains at a racetrack, it just rips up the rubber. So we didn't really have enough time to really have like a full day to dry the track, since we already I drove up from Florida, Mikey drove down from Connecticut. We all met up at our middle point there in South Carolina. So it's unfortunate that we didn't really have good prep. So we really made do of what we could do with equipment and time, but it was unfortunate we really couldn't do anything. So as you saw, we all were spinning, no matter if we were on slicks or not, how much heat we applied. Bear over at Darlington Dragway did an amazing job doing his best, applying heat with the torches, running the tractors, doing the dryers, everything we could. But it was just unfortunate we really couldn't. So we tried ending 2025 with a bang, but unfortunately we couldn't. But that doesn't stop us. At the beginning of the year 2026, we have some amazing plans with the M340, with Jimmy from the Shop CT's M240, Mikey's M4, the Supra, and the M3. So we have some great plans. I'm not gonna say celebrating, but I'm gonna be hanging out at the Keys in Key West, Florida for the next few days. So it's the day after the track. So I'm already in Florida. So I'm gonna be hanging out and terrorizing the streets on scooters. And thank you guys for the love and support for 2025. And hopefully 2026 treats us and you so much more better. More better? Treats you better.